हाय फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक। आप सभी को हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत। दिस वीडियो फॉर उत्तर प्रदेश की पूरी 2022 चुनावी सूची कैसे डाउनलोड करें, हाउ टू डाउनलोड कंप्लीट 2022 इलेक्टोरल लिस्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। सो दिस इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर एनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। आई विल शो यू हाउ टू सर्च योर नेम. You can download the complete 2022 electoral list and you can see your name is there, and also the polling booth information also available online. So let us quickly see how this can be done with nvsp.in website. I'm giving this link of nvsp.in my video description. Okay friends, you can copy from description and copy paste in your browser. Please do from mobile. You don't need any login password, कुछ नहीं चाहिए इसके लिए. So you can download, scroll down and click on download electoral roll PDF. Okay, this is the link you are going to click to download electoral roll for 2022. Okay friends, so first you have to select the state. This is applicable for any state in India, but this video I am particularly making for Uttar Pradesh. Okay, because election is there in 2022. So as you can see here, you can select Uttar Pradesh. So if you wanted any other state, that is also possible. For example, Punjab, if you want, you can select Punjab and go. We have another video for particularly for Punjab. You can watch that. Now let us select Uttar Pradesh and click on go button. So once you select Uttar Pradesh and click on go, it will take you to another website. Please wait for some time. As you can see here, CEO Uttar Pradesh website has come. This pop-up can be closed. I am doing from mobile. You can just click on the close button. You can do from mobile friends. So once you are in this website, there is a 4-line button icon, menu icon here. See, this is the icon. Just click on this icon. You will get multiple options. So in this you can see here the first option, electoral roll PDF. Okay, so just click here. You are going to download 2022 election list. Okay, I will show you how it is. Just click there, and after this it will ask you first for the district, because you are in the Uttar Pradesh state, and which district electoral roll you want to download. You can see here all the districts of Uttar Pradesh are available. For some district, the information they are still publishing. I will show you the example. If it is not published, what is the error or what is the message coming, I will show you. For example, I select this district for example, and after selecting the district, say Bijnor, after that you have to select the sub assembly constituency under that district. Okay friends, for that just click on the select AC assembly constituency button. I select it accordingly and click on show. So these are the two things you have to select, district and assembly constituency, because under which constituency you want to download the PDF. It is a very big list, so you can't download one stretch. You have to go by assembly constituency. So you can see here assembly constituency number is there, left side part number is there, and polling station name also there. As you can see here, all the polling station name is given. So this is also very easy process, because you can get the polling station also. I will show you all the details of polling station will be in the downloaded PDF. So let us select for example one polling station here, and according to this polling station आपको view पर click करना होगा, because electoral roll PDF is under view. So once you click on the view for the particular assembly constituency polling station, you are supposed to enter the captcha here. Okay, the same image what you are seeing here, Q1 PFU, small letter, capital letter, everything matters, otherwise it will not work. It will say invalid captcha. Okay friends, so small letter or capital letter number आपको correctly देने का है. So after that click on view download option. You can see here electoral roll PDF available soon. That means for this particular district it is getting ready. It might be ready in 1 or 2 weeks or in a month. You can keep checking it. So this was the example I wanted to show you. If it is not ready, it will show like this. For example, I will take you another district in Uttar Pradesh, Agra. Agra is very famous, the most famous district, and Agra, the details are already available online. So after selecting Agra, let us select the assembly constituency. For example, say I said select Agra South. Okay, after that click on show button. Don't forget to click on show button, because only after that the Agra details will be loaded. Okay friends, so after this, as you can see here, left side account number of Agra constituency, Agra South constituency is there, and then polling station names are there. So you can click under the view button of respective polling station, whichever station you are looking for. You can download everything one by one. So enter the captcha here, capital letter, small letter, number, whatever you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so you can see here, if captcha is wrong, it will say invalid captcha. Okay friends, if captcha is right, you can see here, click on download, the list get downloaded. See, this is the complete list and clearly it is given a 2022 list. Okay friends, you can see here 2022 Nirvachak Namavali, properly it is given. Okay, so this is the 2022 election list, and I have downloaded for Agra South particular polling station. You can download for any polling station. Clearly it is showing the 2022 list, and if you scroll down, you can see the polling station information also, like what is the route, how to go to the polling station, where it is located, Google map view is there, polling station building view, front view, all the information of a polling station is available, including photo in the first page. And if you scroll down, you can see one by one all the name of the person who is going to vote in the particular polling station. You can see here it's a very big list, because whoever going to vote for this polling station is available, his or her name, and pita ka naam, that means father's name, age, gender, whether male or female, all this information is available. And also it is showing photo is available, because the photo will not be available online due to security reasons. Okay friends, so that is only reason photo was not available here. Otherwise the polling officer will have your photo details also. And if you forget your name here, you can download or you can see easily your respective election ID card number also available online here. Okay friends, so this is for the 2022 election of Uttar Pradesh. Any district you can download like this. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. See you with another video.